Hey everybody, it's Wes from Printful, and I'm here with Dyrus, our Director of Operations. We're at our LA location, and holiday season is coming up. We're entering into Printful's 5th holiday season, and we now have more than 250 employees just in our fulfillment team, and we've been trusted to print more than 6 million products. So we definitely have our experience behind us coming into holiday season, and I just wanted to talk with Dyrus about some of the things that Printful's doing to help prepare ourselves for this year's holiday season. Let's just dive right in.
Let's go.
What are some of the basic things that Printful is doing just to go ahead and prepare for the holidays coming up?
We mainly focus on 3 categories. Number 1 is people. So we obviously grow our team. We start hiring and training people way ahead of time in order for everyone to be up to speed. Number 2 is inventory, stock levels. We work with all of our suppliers in order to forecast, to make sure that everyone is going to have enough stock, enough inventory of everything that we need to produce. Number 3 is our machinery and equipment that we use in production. Every year we invest quite a bit of money in growing the number of machines that we have in each and every department, and also improving the current ones, so upgrades to existing equipment. This year, so far, only in our DTG or direct-to-garment department, we have invested over $6 million in order to not only get more capacity out of the current machines, obviously we've been purchasing additional equipment, but also to improve the quality. We upgraded our Kornit printers from regular Storm 2 printers to Hexa printers, and Hexa stands for 6, which means 6 colors. When previously we worked in a CMYK or a 4-color environment, now we move to a 6-color workspace, which allows our clients to expand the color gamut. So to put it in simple terms, what you see on the screen is going to match the actual physical print a lot closer than it did before. Each and every machine is able to produce by about 25 to 30% faster, meaning that each operator gets about 25 to 30% more output at the end of the day. The printer doesn't look any different on the outside. What has changed is a lot of things on the inside. So there are new print heads on the machine, there's backup supply, a lot of things have changed on the interior of the machine. The operators definitely notice it when every single shirt is being printed, it just comes out faster, like you can physically feel it. The entire ink system is different because it also has added a recirculation system, which means when you're purging and wiping, which is the process of cleaning out the nozzles, the print heads, we are recovering that ink. It's a lot less likely that the print heads are going to get clogged and will result in damages like the most typical one that you get in digital printing, which is when you see like straight lines, which is essentially means that nozzles are missing. With this recirculation process, it's always cleaning them, it's always running ink through them, so it's a lot less likely that something is going to get clogged. So operators also have to spend less time doing maintenance, and they can focus on the actual process of printing shirts.
Oh, cool.
From the marketing side of things, maybe you can tell us a little bit about some frequently asked questions, what are clients interested in knowing before the peak season begins?
Sure. So the biggest question that we always get is, when are the order deadlines? Everyone wants to know what's the last day that a customer can place an order, or that they can sell an order and still be able to get that product in time for the holidays. That's something that we are always looking into. We have to contact all of our carriers. We're always staying up to date on the information that they're putting out, so that we can calculate our fulfillment times with the shipping deadlines, so that you can get the product there in time. We always post all that stuff as soon as we get the information. It'll be listed all over the website. We'll do blog posts. So just make sure you do things like turn on your email notifications, just to make sure that you're getting notified and get that information. And we also blast it all over social media, so it's pretty hard to miss the order deadlines when we're able to get those out. There's lots of just even practical tips that customers can do, or our clients can do. Just simple things like making sure that your payment methods are all up to date, that you don't have any expired cards on your e-commerce platforms, so that way there's not an issue with any of the payment systems when the orders start coming in. You can always make sure that your products are synced. So you don't want an increase in all these orders and then you find out one of them actually isn't synced, and now there's lots of manual work that you have to do. Site speed is actually a huge deterrent on sales. So you want to check out whoever's hosting your website. Some of them, like if you're using WooCommerce, for example, you've had to get your own hosting plan, so you might want to make sure to upgrade or anything like that if you're expecting to have an increase in visitors to your store, because you don't want it to be the Black Friday rush. Everyone's checking out your site for sales and then your site crashes or freezes. So you can always look into things like that as well. Another thing you can do is go ahead and start planning out as soon as possible what kind of deals or specials you're going to run for the holiday season. Black Friday every single year just continues to grow and be the biggest spending day in history. And so every year that gets topped. So the more prepared you are as far as that goes, the more successful the holiday season in terms of sales are going to go for you. I wanted to ask you real quick, when I was talking about updates for your site and making things current, what are some products if a customer is looking to add kind of seasonal products? What's a good one or a good couple that you know increase during the holiday season?
All the product categories grow during the peak season, but there are some that grow more. For instance, mugs. Normally we need to produce around 4 to 5 times more mugs every single day during the peak season when compared to the regular season. So mugs is definitely a very, very popular one. Socks also grow quite rapidly during the peak season. We see a spike there. And sweaters, pretty much everything that makes you warm during the cold Christmas time.
All right, beanies.
Yes, beanies. Yeah, beanies also become quite a bit popular when compared to the regular season, definitely.
And then for anyone in the southern hemisphere, it's going to be summer for these holidays. And so you can totally take advantage of holiday print on stuff like our swimsuits and the beach towels and things like that. And you can actually improve your sales by just kind of having fun as far as that goes and staying relevant to your customer base. Well, Darius, thank you so much for sitting with me today. Everyone, we have lots of great information, tons of blog articles just about e-commerce in general, and especially coming up through the holiday season, lots of really great specific things to help you out. So be sure to subscribe to our blog, check out our YouTube channel because there'll be lots of content there. So don't forget to subscribe as well and check out our other videos.